Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at another one of our quality pre-owned vehicles from our large selection, and comes equipped with navigation, dual front side impact airbags, auto high beam headlamp control, heated front seats, heated door mirrors, split fold down rear seat, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, fully automatic headlights, rain sensitive windshield wipers, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Road in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.